There are top 5 AI websites you didn't know exist. This is optimized for new channels, high retention, and easy production. Most people have no idea these AI websites exist, and they can save you hours of work. Number 3 is crazy and will amaze you. Brain tool number 1. Gamma.app. Gamma can turn simple text into full presentations, documents, or websites in seconds. This app enables you to edit with AI in just a click. Instantly add smart layouts, rich content, and translations. Generate images and rework with AI. Collaborate real-time with your team. This AI removes objects from photos instantly. No Photoshop skills needed. This app allows you to retouch images in seconds. With incredible quality you can drag and drop an image above to get started for free. Brain tool number 3. 11 Labs. This AI creates realistic human voices. You can use it for YouTube, ads, or audiobooks. Do you know this tool will make you AI voice generator? Design your own voice, AI text-to-speech. 50% off first purchase now. Subscribe now and unlock AI voice features at half price. Turn text into natural voices with Noise AI. Perfect for video, podcast. Start creating voices now. Get started with AI voice. Create voices instantly. Turn text into voice now. Brain tool number 4. Perplexity.ai. This is like Google, but smarter. It gives direct answers with sources. This AI will create a study plan given this syllabus for the next week to help me on my test. Brain tool number 5. Durable.com. Hey, do you know Durable can build you an entire website for your business in under 1 minute? This is the AI tool that builds a business for you. Your AI business partner for websites, content, strategy, and more. Start growing online in 30 seconds. Loudspeaker CTA. Follow for more AI tools that make life easier. For more of this AI app updates, please subscribe to this channel and get more keep coming your way. Which one shocked you the most? Leave a comment.